ever pondered over the question, what exactly is this thing called RAM doing in your computer? Well, you're about to have a clear understanding of this unsung hero of computing and why it's so critical to your machine's performance. First off, RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Don't let this name intimidate you, it's pretty simple when you break it down. Random access means that any byte of memory can be retrieved without touching the preceding bytes. This ability makes RAM incredibly fast, as the device doesn't have to trudge through unnecessary data to get to what it needs. Now, imagine RAM as a super efficient office desk. The bigger the desk, the more documents you can spread out and work on simultaneously. Similarly, the more RAM your computer has, the more data it can handle at once, resulting in smoother multitasking and faster processing speeds. So how does RAM work, you ask? Step 1. CPU sends a request. The central processing unit, or CPU, is like the brain of your computer. It's constantly sending out requests for data it needs to complete tasks. When you click on an application, for instance, the CPU sends a request to the RAM for the data required to open that application. Step 2. RAM retrieves data. The RAM springs into action, searching through its stored data for the information the CPU needs. Remember, because it's random access, it can find this data incredibly quickly, no matter where it's stored. Step 3. RAM sends data to CPU. Once the RAM finds the necessary data, it sends it back to the CPU. The CPU then uses this data to complete the task, whether that's opening an application, loading a web page, or saving a document. Step 4. RAM stores data temporarily. Unlike other types of computer memory, RAM only stores data temporarily. When you shut down your computer, the RAM clears out all its data, ready to start fresh the next time you power up your machine. To summarize, RAM operates as an essential intermediary between your computer's brain, the CPU, and its long-term memory, the hard drive. The CPU sends requests to the RAM, which retrieves the needed data from its temporary storage. The RAM then sends this data back to the CPU, allowing it to complete the task at hand. And remember, more RAM means more data can be handled simultaneously, leading to a faster, smoother computing experience. So, the next time you're working on your computer, spare a thought for the hard-working RAM. It might not be as glamorous as the latest graphics card or the fastest processor, but without it, your computer wouldn't be able to function nearly as efficiently.